Hi friends, happy Monday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. We are going to get going with our Monday lesson today, and it is bowling. So we're going to be working on our underhand roll while trying to knock down some pins. And the equipment that we're going to need for today's lesson is some type of object that's going to roll. So it could be a ball like that. You can use a sock ball or a tennis ball will work too. Then you're going to need some type of pin to try and knock down. I'm going to be using toilet paper rolls, and I have 6 of them, so you're going to need 6 objects to try and roll at. You can also use water bottles, cups, or if you want to, you can just take pieces of paper, cut them into little strips, roll them up, tape them, and make your own out of paper. Then the last thing you're going to need is some way to keep track of your score or keep track of how many pins you get down. And that is why we have the score sheet. You'll be able to find this score sheet on our website underneath our video, and you'll also be able to find it underneath the YouTube video when you watch it. So this is our score sheet that you are going to use. Now, if you don't have a printer to print it off at home, what you can do is you can just get a piece of paper, a writing utensil, and make your own using this as a reference. So let's get going. Let's see how our activity is going to work today. All right, friends, here is the setup. We have our line to mark out where we're rolling from. You can always challenge yourself by moving it further back. Now I'm using this nice gator skin ball here, and this is how our bowling pins or our toilet paper tubes are set up. Remember, you can use different alternatives like water bottles or cups. So this is our setup. Grab your equipment, pause your video, and get set up now. All right, friends, now you have your equipment set up. We are going to get into how our modified bowling is going to work. First thing, there are 10 frames in bowling, so we're going to try and get all 10 frames done. Now, in each frame, you're going to have 2 rolls to try and get down your 6 pins. Normally, there would be 10 pins in regular bowling, but we're doing modified because you might not have equipment to make 10 pins. So let's get going and see how it works. I'm going to use the proper form. I'm using a sock ball. You're going to step, swing, step, get low, and then I'm going to roll my ball and try and knock down as many pins as possible. Here we go. I got a strike. Yes. So I'm going to record a 6 in the first frame, and there's another box for your second roll, but I don't have to roll because I got them all down the first time. So 6 plus 0 is 6, and then you want to put your score below that line on the bottom. Now, I'm going to pick up my pins, reset them up in that pyramid shape, 1 at the top, 2, and then 3. Then I'm going to go again. This is frame 2. All right, I was able to get 4 down, so I'm going to put 4 in that first box. Now, I have a second roll though. And I'm going to move the pins that were knocked down out of the way so that I can roll at the other ones that are left. So here we go. See if I can get a spare. Got 1 more down, so I'm going to put 1 in that next box. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now it's important that we bring that 6 over. So now it's 5 plus 6 equals 11. And you're going to keep bringing that number over so that you have a total at the end. So set up your pins again. And we are on to frame 3. Got 1. It's already out of the way. I'm going to grab my bowling ball or my sock ball. Oh, I missed it that time, so I got a 0. So I'm going to put 0 in that box. 1 plus 0 is 1. Remember, we have to bring that 11 up. So 1 plus 11 is 12. So I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to do one more example frame, and I'm going to let you get going. Here we go. Got a strike to finish it out. Awesome. So I'm going to record my 6, and then the second frame or second box is going to be a 0. 6 plus 0 is 6, and then I gotta bring my 12 over. 12 plus 6 is 18. And you're gonna keep going till you get done with 10 frames and see what score you can get, and you can do this multiple times to see if you can get better each time. Now, another thing you can do is you can challenge someone that's at home. So go ahead, have some fun, challenge someone at your home, and try your best, friends. Good luck.